Hey guys, Taken sent me these 9-volt rechargeable batteries for free so I can take them out of the box and let you know what I think about them and just give you a really up close look so you can see what to expect. So here's the box that they come in. Nice quality, heavy duty box. Just a really easy pull tab right here. So pull that, flip them open, and there you go. Now, I'm going to say before these were sent to me, and maybe I'm just late to the party, I had no idea that you could buy 9-volt batteries like this that were rechargeable in this way. So it's really cool. So I'll take this one out of the pack so you can see it up close. And then you can see it actually comes with a charger. So never have I before seen that you could plug in a single battery to a USB to USB-C and charge it directly as opposed to having like the portable little recharging battery packs or whatever they are. So I think that's really cool. Again, it comes with two of them, and you have a double charging port, so you can charge them both at the same time if needed. So I think that's a really cool thing. So if you are in the market for a 9-volt battery and you don't want to keep buying them over and over, definitely this seems like a solid way to go. I'm super happy about it, and I can't wait to give them a try.